Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video is another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this is the biggest. So okay, so let's unbox. Let's open the box. Right. Okay.
Just pull it, should open.
Oh yes, it's easy.
Turn that upwards.
Turn it up.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. So.
Careful not to cut your hand. So there's some sharp bits.
Okay. So let's take everything out. Oh. What's that? Okay. So that's the leg. Oh.
Maybe turn it upside down onto the settee. And pull the box up.
There. Oopsie. Oops. Okay. In here. Is it there? Is it like this?
Not to damage the frame.
Okay. Take this off. And take that off. So Aironic. Is it
Brand name, which I've never heard of.
Aironic?
Yeah. It's a low wattage heater.
Oh, so
Only 400 watts, so it doesn't cost too much to run.
so how many wattage?
400.
400. So
Same as 1 bar on a halogen heater.
So is this the front?
That's the side. One of the sides.
So this is side.
That's the bottom. Facing you. That's the top.
Oh, so
And
this.
turn it up.
Oh, so this is lying down. Is
Yeah.
this lying down?
Yeah, that's it.
So it
That's
should
the
be
right.
up.
That's the right way. And I have to fix the legs.
Oh, so I open it lying down. Oh, but it's not thing. It's not straight.
Yeah, I have to fix the legs.
Oh, because look at the back, guys. Look. So there's a metal thing.
Yeah, you can either fix it on a wall or have it freestanding.
Oh, see.
I'm gonna have it freestanding because we don't have any wall space.
So it's like freestanding on the wall. Or put it on the wall like that.
Yeah, screw it
So
onto a wall or have it freestanding. Put the feet
Or
on it.
freestanding. I think I prefer freestanding.
Of course, me too. There is no space on the wall.
Yes. So if it's freestanding, it should look like this.
Yeah, when I put the legs on it.
Yeah, with the legs. So the legs will go in there and it becomes like that.
It's quite thick. The other one we had was much thinner, which I can't find. We lost it.
So look at that, guys. So the air will come out here.
Yeah, there's no fan or anything. It's just the head will rise by itself.
And it's see-through. See, I can see. That is the side. So this is the
On
switch button.
off
On
button.
and off button. And this is the
Thermostat.
the temperature control.
Yeah, sort of.
Yeah. And on the side is nothing. And the
I
bottom
bought it mainly for very
is
cold nights, so we can leave it on during the night. It's safer than having the halogen, especially with our cat.
So this is this halogen?
No,
So what is it?
I'm not too sure what's
it-
inside there. Just some type of heating element encased
Yeah,
in
there
metal.
is a metal thing in the bottom. So that heats up and that makes the heat, and then the heat will rise up here. Is
Yeah.
it? It rise up?
Yeah, should be.
Yeah.
Being metal, it will probably get warm as well, front and back.
So because we need heater, guys, and we don't put the central heating. We got central heating.
Can't afford to put the central heating on anymore. Far too expensive.
So I think it's far cheaper to use electric heater because you.
Yeah, as long as you're only heating the one room that you're in.
Yeah, you only use one room at a time.
Yeah, and don't leave it on constantly.
Yeah,
warm
but the
it,
thing
turn it
is,
off.
the other room will be too cold.
Freezing. Yeah.
Freezing cold.
Yeah, but what can we do? Too
So-
expensive to heat the whole house.
Yeah, so that is the assembly. The guide
Yeah,
to
I have to
assemble.
read that and then put the legs on
Yeah.
and put it on.
Yeah, I think it's pretty straightforward.
Should be.
Yeah, even me, I can do that. Is it?
Yeah,
So
I'm
easy.
sure.
Yeah. Okay, so we have to set it up, guys, and then we'll video once it's running. So, alright, okay guys, this is very important in winter to keep us warm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, okay guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you, tara, love, love, love. So that's the feet.
It's already on the on position.
Yeah. So that's the button. It's on. So, yeah, so it's on now.
I don't know whether this is turned that way or turned that way. Yes, this way, Max.